Hello everyone, my name is Hiten Singla. I am founder of Digital Plant Doctor. Gardeners and farmers often see spots on plants but do not know the reason. This confusion leads to wasted money and lost crops. Digital Plant Doctor is an app where you take photo of your plant and it quickly shows problems and suggests simple steps to care for it. In this Digital Plant Doctor, we take or choose of our plant picture. Then AI work and AI give problems and simple steps to care for it. In our app, there were also confidence level. In-app also give plant name, chemical treatments also, and prevention and care also give in my app. My app project is early prototype. Next, we will add more plant species and users will be able to save their scan history.